Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make plants bloom faster. First, let's talk about light. Most flowering plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to produce abundant blooms. If your plants are indoors or not getting enough natural light, consider using a supplemental grow light. Remember to rotate your plants weekly to ensure all parts receive even light exposure. Next, proper nutrition is key. Use a fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus, often indicated by the middle number in the NPK ratio, to encourage more flowers. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 4 weeks during their main growing period. Also, consistent watering is crucial. Keep the soil moist but never soggy, as this can hinder blooming. Pruning plays a vital role in encouraging more blooms. Deadhead, or remove, any spent flowers to signal the plant to produce new ones instead of seeds. Additionally, prune back any leggy or overgrown stems. This encourages the plant to become bushier and produce even more flowers. Good air circulation also helps keep your plants healthy and blooming. Finally, minimize stress on your plants. Protect them from extreme temperature fluctuations and strong winds, which can inhibit flowering. Regularly inspect for pests and treat any issues promptly to keep your plants vigorous. Also, ensure their roots have enough room to grow. Repotting into a slightly larger container when they become root-bound can significantly boost blooming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.